Hello, my friends. We're going to do the one-day S&P reading for this coming Monday, December 20th, 2021. I hope you guys have been following along for a while. We've been kicking ass here, guys. I just made a killing this week. Like 600% account. Anyhow, Monday, December 20th, 2021. When I look at the monthly overview, it's the Hermit card. There's a trade correlation on the month's chart. Looks like we have a low there. We start lower than we have the star card in the post market. Sorry. We have the star card at the close today, and then we have the star close in the the star card in the pre-market on the 20th. So they may be lined up around the same price or a continued rally. We do have a sharp decline around the open from a high to a low for the day. The low takes place probably around 10 o'clock-ish, give or take 15 minutes, 10 minutes on either side. And then there's a move higher to another high. This may be the month's high based on the fact that for today, which is Friday the 17th, the preview card for this coming Monday, the 20th, which this reading is for, is the worry card, which if you look at if you have the monthly overview, you'll see that the worry card is the correlator for the month's high. So there's a good chance that, mixed with the fact that on Monday we also have the appearance of the fortune card, likely we have a month's high here. We do definitely have a month's high this week, or this coming week. And so with all that said, I am holding my calls. I'm going to sell some of my calls around the close. There's going to be some back and forth. So I'm going to sell against them, buy more, sell against them, and then probably get out or let them expire in the money. But the behavior around the high on Monday the 20th is going to be a big push to the upside. The behavior around the low is going to be a period of volatility with a sharp dip in the midst of it. The theme card is satiety, or satiety, however you want to say it. And that speaks of a decline from a peak or a moment, a peak that has a moment of overbought on the RSI territory. So it'll be at 80 or above 80, somewhere around there on the RSI, and that'll signal overbought. I'm thinking that will probably open at an overbought territory on Monday. Yeah, we're going to decline today towards the end and then push back up higher. We're going to be in overbought territory on Monday when we open, drop to a low for the week, or for the day, excuse me. And then we're going to turn around and reach a high or a higher high, followed by a turnaround again midday and a revisiting of an old support level opportunity. Then we're going to have so we open an overbought territory roughly around where we closed today, Friday the 17th. Then we have an unexpected failure at the open, and an opportunity in the midst of a sharp decline to open up long positions. That happens around between 9 and 10. Then we turn higher from 10 to 11-ish. We move higher still from 11 to 12-ish. And then around 12 to 1 o'clock, there's an opportunity for me to sell those calls and buy puts. And then the market turns around, we reach another low for the day or close, we revisit that low. And then we have a push off of that low to, we revisit that low roughly between 12 and 2 o'clock, probably closer to 2 o'clock. And then from there, we have a push upwards, turning a resistance level into new support. But that new support doesn't hold very long, and towards the end of the day, around the close, we go from a high. Yeah, the Bach, we dropped through off of the high. We dropped through through 2 support levels, bounced along a support level, and then dropped through multiple support levels. The sneak preview card for Tuesday is a futility card, so a big push through resistance levels out of a decline or a scary situation. So what I'm looking to do on Monday is I'm gonna probably sell calls that I hold over the weekend. I'm gonna sell those at the open, buy puts. No, excuse me, sell those at the open, watch the market dip, and then around 10 o'clock I'm gonna buy calls. I'm gonna ride those calls until roughly I'll either sell them around 11 or I'll sell them around 12:45 or possibly some in both times. But around 12:45 I'll be purchasing some puts and looking to sell those puts at the end of the day. And there you have it, folks. That's Monday, December 20th, 2021. The date today, again, is Friday, December 17th, 2021. The time right now is 1:35 p.m. I'm sure this is helping some people. I'd love to hear how you're doing. If you have a strategy that you've been developing based on this extra information and this valuable, information that's different from what you would find anywhere else. Guys, you can always go to the website, tarotfortraders.com. Subscribe to the newsletter. It's free. You can get the monthly overview, which predicts highs, lows, month highs, month lows, local highs, and all the behavior in between. We have a 97% accuracy. So it's worth checking out. Definitely worth checking out. And there's also the 1 day preview. So we do the video here, but the drafts are created much earlier, and in a lot of cases we have them up on the website earlier than these videos come out. So it's worth checking out, guys. You can also communicate with me directly through the website and get alerts when things progress. All right, guys, I hope this has been helpful. I'd love to hear from you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll see you all next week. Take care.